Imagine this. You walk into a dealership with your dream car in sight. A brand new, fully loaded SUV. It's sleek, it's shiny, and, well, it costs just under $50,000.
We can get you in today, only $749 a month.
You nod, you sign, you drive off, proud. But within weeks, the truth hits you hard. Your monthly payment is just the tip of a financial iceberg. And now, you're stuck. Because you didn't know the 7 deadly car buying mistakes that trap millions of people every year. Today, we're lifting the hood on the truth. This video might save you thousands and years of regret. Let's get into it. Meet Jason.
I really wanted the newest Ford Explorer.
The sticker price was $49,990.
Why not spread it over 96 months? That's just $630 a month.
Sounds good, right? Actually, that's wrong. Jason didn't realize that over those 8 years with a 9% APR, he'd end up paying nearly $71,000 for a $50,000 SUV. By year 5, his warranty's gone, repairs start piling up, and he's still stuck in payments. So, what should you do instead? Well, just stick to a 60-month max loan. Sure, you'll pay a bit more each month, but honestly, you'll save thousands in the long run. And hey, if that 60-month payment is just too much for your budget, it probably means you're looking at the wrong car.
It's only $699 a month.
But guess what? They've actually stuffed in like a $3,000 paint protection, a $2,000 wheel package, and even $1,200 for a warranty you didn't even ask for. Honestly, it's kind of like ordering a burger and then getting billed for a 5-course meal. So what should you do instead? Always negotiate the total out-the-door price, not just the monthly payment. Seriously, ask for a written quote. Make sure it's itemized. And read every single line, twice if you have to. A good car with a bad APR is honestly like buying a house with a leaky roof. If your credit score isn't top tier, the dealer's finance guy will gladly offer you an APR of 10% or more, even when the bank could give you 6%.
That's right, I can get you approved today at just 10% APR.
Yeah, so always check your options before signing anything. So, let's say you finance $45,000. At 6%, you end up paying about $52,000 over 5 years. But at 11%, you're looking at nearly $59,000. That's $7,000 just wasted, enough to buy a second used car. So what should you do instead? First, check your credit score before you even start shopping. Then get pre-approved through a credit union or maybe an online lender. That way you can walk in ready, confident, and totally in control.
Extended warranties, tire and rim protection, anti-theft etching, ceramic coating, sound familiar?
Yeah, these extras can really add up fast if you're not careful. Most of these are overpriced, some are outright scams. Dealers make up to 90% profit on these add-ons. So, what should you do instead? Ask, is this required to complete the sale? Spoiler alert, it's not. Just say no. And honestly, take that cash to buy actual upgrades or keep it for maintenance. Maria brought her 2018 Toyota Camry to trade in. The dealer offered her $11,000. She was ready to accept. But her cousin checked Kelley Blue Book and Carvana and, well, the same car was worth $14,800. That's nearly $4,000 gone, just like that. So what should you do instead? Always get 3 quotes, CarMax, Carvana, and a local dealer. Or, list it yourself and negotiate for a better price. Every dollar really counts, especially when you're financing.
No money down? Sounds easy, but it's a trap.
Let's break it down. With no down payment, your loan covers the full $50,000, plus taxes, fees, and maybe some add-ons. That's more interest, more risk, and honestly, you'll owe more than the car is worth the moment you drive off. So what should you do instead? Aim for 10 to 20% down. Even putting down $3,000 to $5,000 can really lower your payments and interest quite a bit. Plus, lenders see you as less risky, which might even drop your APR. The car's yours, but, surprise! Insurance is $250 a month, registration is $400 a year, fuel costs about $300 each month. Maintenance? That's $1,000 a year. You budgeted $700 a month for the car, but honestly, your real cost is closer to $1,200 a month. So, what should you do instead? Well, use tools like Edmunds True Cost to Own. Make sure you factor in insurance quotes, gas mileage, maintenance schedules, and state taxes before making a decision to buy. Okay, let's quickly go over the 7 mistakes again. First, loans that are too long mean, well, more interest. Focusing just on the monthly payment leads to sneaky upsells. A high APR can cost you thousands. Add-ons, usually overpriced junk. A bad trade-in just gives free money to the dealer. No down payment puts you in an upside-down loan. And finally, hidden costs can turn into a financial ambush. If you've made it this far, you're definitely not just another car shopper, you're a smart one. So here's what you should do. Drop a like if this saved you even $1. Comment below if you've ever made one of these mistakes. You're not alone. And most importantly, subscribe to Gear Specs. Because you know this channel doesn't just show you cool cars, we teach you how to own them the smart way. Your dream car shouldn't become your biggest regret. Make the right move. We'll be here to guide you every step of the way.